fire grilled jerk wings. Hi everybody, I'm Ariel Fox, cookbook author of Spice Kitchen. I am a chef and I am the winner of Hell's Kitchen season 18. I grew up in Santa Cruz, California in the Bay Area, cooking with my mother and grandmother who were amazing cooks, and I had a ton of Latin and Caribbean and European influences. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular recipes from my book, Fire Grilled Jerk Wings. But I'm going to show you how to make them at home in the oven so you can make them in those winter months when you're craving some fire grilled goodies. You are going to want to brine your wings overnight. Brining is a great trick for all chicken, pork. We're going to start with a little bit of regular temperature water. We have some sea salt, or you can use pink Himalayan salt. We have some coconut sugar, coriander seed, garlic cloves, and bay leaves. Add some really hot water to it. We're going to give it a little stir. No boiling necessary. And we're just going to pour that right into our tepid water. Dump your chicken wings right into that brine. You're going to wrap them and you're going to keep them in your refrigerator overnight. Okay, so I've had some of this chicken brining overnight already. We're going to dry them off a little bit on some paper towels. We're going to kind of pat these dry a little bit. Transfer our chicken to another clean bowl. There's plenty of companies that make wonderful jerk seasonings. I like to make my own. I have salt, pepper, coconut sugar, organic onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, allspice, cumin, cinnamon, red chili flakes, dried thyme, parsley, and you're just simply gonna stir it all together. So we're gonna go ahead and add some avocado oil to the bowl. We're going to add our homemade jerk seasoning, about 2 tablespoons worth. We're gonna toss it, a nice amount of jerk seasoning on there. And we're gonna simply spread them out on a sheet pan and bake these off in a 450-degree oven for about 30 minutes. While we do that, we're gonna make our passion fruit salsa. We're gonna go ahead and blanch these peppers in some salted boiling water for about 10 minutes. Put our blanched peppers in our blender. We're going to put in some fresh passion fruit liqueur. I like to use a little bit of Valentina hot sauce. We're also going to use a Scotch bonnet pepper, very, very hot, so I'm holding it on the outside. Fresh orange juice, a couple tablespoons of lime juice, and coconut sugar. While it's blending, we're going to emulsify in a little bit more avocado oil. It's going to make it almost like a vinaigrette. We're going to season it with a little bit of salt, fresh pepper, and that's it. Beautiful color, vibrant, it's so bright, so fresh. So this is almost like a passion fruit buffalo sauce. As you can see, our wings are nicely roasted. At this point, they're totally cooked through. We want to get them nice and charred and crispy. So we're going to set our oven to broil. We're basically going to put these wings in on the top shelf and we're going to let them get nice and crispy and charred. Toss them one time and a little bit more char on the other side. Look at that. These totally look like we just took them off of a grill. These are things you can make ahead of time. You can pre-bake these wings before you have your party and then just pull them out and broil them and they're ready to go. They're so crispy. And I'm going to pour it all over the wings. Make sure they're nice and coated. And then I'm just gonna pile these beauties up on this plate, cilantro, and some red Fresnos. And there you have your indoor fire roasted jerk wings.